106.7 WIZN, it's Billy Idol and White Wedding. Heard Aerosmith and what it takes before that. I'm Joe Vega taking you through your Wednesday rocket ride home. Earlier, I was talking about the absolutely atrocious road conditions in the state of Vermont, so I decided to get my friend Ben Barry on the phone from Martin Harding and Mazzotti. You can call Ben at any time at 1-800-LAW-1010. You can also go online to 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Ben, I was curious about what an individual, one person can do to help facilitate the fixing of the roads.
Well, the roads here in New York are atrocious in some spots as well, but I think probably your best course of action would be to write to your local municipality, the legislatures, and complain. Basically, I think they probably get a lot of roadway complaints, but I think it's very important for individuals, whether it's a town road or a state road or whatever it may be. I think it's very important for individuals who are living in those municipalities or who are suffering car damage or just a very rocky ride to work.
Just killing my car right now.
Yeah, I think it's important to report that to your local agencies, the departments of transportation, your mayor. It's important to put the town and the cities and the state on notice when there are problems on the roadway.
And so does it matter, again, does it matter if it's a town road or a state road or is the Interstate 89, for instance, who you're going to write to about that?
Yeah, well, I mean, generally speaking, you want to write to the entity that controls the maintenance of that particular roadway, but it doesn't hurt to write to your local administrators as well, because they are the people who have open lines of communications with, for example, the state, who might be maintaining and building and repairing that particular roadway that goes through that town or city or what have you. So I think it's important to approach the subject from a number of different angles, maybe write the same letter and copy your local guy in and also your state rep. But it's important that administrators and officials know about roadway defects, because a lot of times they just don't know. A light will go out at a particular intersection and everybody in the area knows about it right away, and they may be the last to know. So it's important to get those things fixed. It certainly causes accidents, causes wear and tear on your vehicle, certainly makes the ride to work aggravating, so let people know.
All right, so there we go. Good advice. Vermont, let's get together and cause enough of a stink to get these roads fixed. Hey, Ben, thanks for coming on the program.
Thanks, Joe. Thanks for calling.
Ben Barry from Martin Harding and Mazzotti. Again, you can call them at 1-800-LAW-1010 or go online at 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Mel Allen's taking over from here. He's got music from Golden Earring next.